Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you 5 wonderful ways to transfer our photos onto a variety of different surfaces. And at the end of this video, I'll let you know which one of these techniques is my favorite and why. And we're gonna use image transfer as always. So there are of course many ways to transfer your images, so we're going to go over the easiest ones and I think also the most fun. And before we go on, I'd like to mention that these processes and many other fun image processes can be found in my book, the Mixed Media Photography book, which is available in print on Amazon, and the digital ebook version is available on Etsy. So if you're interested in getting the book, there are links to the book below this video. The first image transfer technique we're going to talk about is oil transfer. This process uses pure essential oils such as eucalyptus and has a very distinct painterly look. And before I forget, let me mention that there are links to all the supplies below this video. Now, using oil, images can be transferred to many different surfaces, such as canvas, wood, glass, fabric, and so on. So next, number 2 on the list, we have gel mediums. And usually when you transfer with gel mediums, you will need to rub off and remove paper from the back of your image. I know some people don't love it so much, but I actually do, and I find it to be very relaxing. And if you're interested in learning step by step how to image transfer and gel print your own photos, be sure to check out my online classes. They are fun and easy. They're also ongoing, which means you can sign up now and take it at your own pace whenever you have time. No pressure. So yeah, links to the online classes below this video. Image transferring with clear tape has to be the easiest image transfer method. And again, you'll have to do some paper removal, but in this case it's pretty fast and the paper can be removed quite easily. And here's an example of something you can do with it. A nice wall decor piece. Number 4, transferring with a blender pen. The amazing thing about this pen is that it can pretty much transfer any laser printed image to any surface. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. However, since I've made the video about the pen, a few people contacted me to let me know how toxic this pen is. And really, it shouldn't be used by artists anymore. And I tend to agree. However, the good news is that you can replace the xylene chemical which is inside the pen with a less toxic replacement, or even 100% acetone. Both, of course, are still chemicals that have fumes. So if you choose to use them, be sure to work in a well-ventilated area. And you can even make your own transfer pens from empty markers. Okay, number 5 and last technique we'll talk about today is photo transfer using acrylic paints. I think it's pretty cool that it's possible to transfer my photos with just paint. And it actually works just like gel medium, except for the color, of course. So you need to think about it and plan ahead when you apply the paint. So as far as my favorite way to transfer, it's a tie between oil and paint transfer. I like oil transfer because I can use it as a way to document my days and my travels in my journals in a really quick and easy way. But I enjoy the paint transfer process itself because it's so therapeutic to me, and I love the colorful transfer that I can make using this technique. What about you? Which image transfer technique do you prefer or would like to try? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, we're gonna use image transfer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.